Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to create an image in Playground AI. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First, open the browser on your mobile and search for Playground AI. Then open the official website. The first thing you need to do is sign in or sign up. After that, you will see the main interface on your screen. Now, click on New Design. Once you click on it, you will see different AI tools to create images. Select the model you want. Then paste your prompt and click Generate. And as you can see, our image is created. It looks really cute. If you want to edit the image, you will find many options below to customize it. To download the image, simply click on Export and then select Download. That's it, your image will be saved. If this video was helpful, please like the video and share it with others. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.